Hey y'all, today I am here with another plan with me from the week of February 29th through March 6th. And I'll be using two of CricketPaperCo's kits. I know this one I think was Put a Bird on It, and I can't remember what the name of this kit over here was, and because there's no headers with it, I'm going to be using some of Creating&Co's to do today in odds and end headers. But first I'm going to be putting down this polka dot washi. So I'm going to put that down first. If I can get this on straight. It's not wanting to straighten out now, is it? There we go. And then we'll tear the other side. And then this side. Okay, and there we go. Let me straighten y'all up a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to do my to-do headers, and I think I'm going to use up my last two blues and then probably some of the green and the orange. So let me think which ones I want to do. I think I want to do, I want to do the oranges most. I'll put the orange one on Monday. Thursday. And Sunday. And then I will do the blue on Tuesday. And Friday. And then I will use the screen color on Wednesday. And Saturday. I have all those down, and I'm going to do my checklist, and obviously I'm going to be using both checklists from excuse me, both pages. And I'm going to take this orange one and put it underneath the orange header. I'm not necessarily going to color match every single one, and obviously they won't be color matched because the oranges are different, but they're still orange. And I'm going to take the dark blue and put it under the blue. And then I'm going to take, I think I'll take this one. This is kind of, looks more like a light blue than a green, but I'll still put it under the green. And then I'll take this pink one and put it under this orange one. It's a little crooked, but I'm not too concerned about that. And over here, I'm going to put, I'll put this one. It's kind of a little bit different, but kind of the same as the one over here. I'll put this one under the blue header. And then I'll take the green and put it under the to-do. This one looks a little more green than that one, even though they're still kind of in the same color tone. And then I'll take the darker of the pink colors, or at least they look pink, and put it under, if I can get it straight, put it under the orange header. So there we have that, and now I'm going to do my today headers, and again doing the same color, orange, blue, and green across. So I'm going to do the orange todays on Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. That one's a little crooked. And then now for the two blues for Tuesday and Friday. Oh, that's really crooked. And then the two greens on Wednesday and Saturday. And now I'm going to do my full boxes. And since this one has the most decor that I don't want to cover up, I'm going to actually take the birds, since obviously these three have a lot of decor on them, but I wouldn't mind covering them up if I had to, but I don't want to cover up the bird. I'm going to put it at the top to cover the Thankful Thought box, if I can get it on straight. It's a little crooked, but it looks pretty good. So now I am going to I think I want to alternate between the two kits. I think I'm going to take this one and put it on Sunday, and then take this one and put it on Saturday. And then after I put the rest of the full boxes, I'll choose between the two weekend banners for which one I want to put on there. Then I'll do this one on Thursday if I can get it on straight. And then I'll do the pink one, since there's kind of, these two seem to have a more blue than pink, and because the header is blue. I'll do the pink one right here. And then I'll take this one, which is the last one for the full boxes, on here. And I'll put it in the middle, and then I'll take the last two and put it on Monday and Wednesday. And then the last full box, there we go. And then I think I am going to do, which weekend banner do I want? I think I'm going to do this weekend banner. I'm going to put it right underneath do it there, and it covers up this one a little bit, but you can still see a good bit of the design. So now I'm going to go through and do my odds and ends headers, and again, like what I did with the today and to-dos. For Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. And then the two blues for Tuesday and Friday. It's a little crooked. And the two greens for Wednesday and Saturday. So there I have all of my headers down. And now I am going to take, I think I'm going to do this lazy day and put it on top of, or actually I'm going to put it, I'll actually put it on the full box, just because it didn't look like it was going to fit and I didn't want to cover up Sunday. So there is that. And now I am going to grab my TV and mill icons from the Paperly Bowtique, and I am going to use those all across the bottom. Obviously I'm going to use 7 of the meal planning, but I probably won't. I think I'm only going to use 5 or 6 of the TV show icons. So let me put the meal planning stickers down. I'm going to put this one down here, and then I'll use the other pink Actually, I'm going to do the pinks on the green. I'm going to use the pinks, the pinks on the green headers. That one's a little crooked, but I'm not too concerned with that. And then I'm going to use these kind of greens under the oranges, or the orange headers. Because I was going to use 3 of them, and that way it'll match up with the 3 orange headers. And then I could use that color or like the gold yellow colors on here, but I plan to use them for another spread in March, so that's why I'm not using those. And then the 2 blue mail icons I'm going to be using under the blue headers. So I have that. And then I am going to do my TV shows. I have to think of how I want to do the coloring. On a Tuesday I have 3 shows. I think I'm going to do green. One of the pinks. And then one of the blues. So I'll have my TV shows there. And then I'll do a green one for the one show that I have on Wednesday. And then I'll use another pink one for my show on Friday. That's really crooked. I could use the blue one on Friday, but since I did different colors for Tuesday and Wednesday, I'm going to use a different color instead of blue for Friday. So that is all of my TV shows that I have for right now. These blank lake. They're not double dots, but they have dots on the top and bottom of them, and I'm going to use them because I don't have any like to clean or to buy or any kind of sidebar headers. I'm going to use these and just write in what I want the header to be. So I think I am going to which ones do I want to do? I think I want to use one of the pink ones. Like that, and put it right under the box. And I think I do have one checklist left over, but I don't know if I want to use it. Just because there's only one left over instead of 2. But I think I think I'm actually going to use this one, and then I'm going to take one of my Creating&Co checklist and put it in place So let me put this one down. And then I'm going to put I think I'm going to do the green. If I can get it up, there we go. And do that right underneath. I'm going to have to cover up the checklist a little bit. And the checklist isn't perfectly matching up with the lines, but that's still okay. And then I think I'm going to use I think I'm going to use this green one down here. And obviously you can tell the size difference of the checklist, but it will still work. Oh. If it will stick, it will work. Almost had it. Oh, that's good enough. So there are the checklists, and then I am going to mark the top one as to clean, and then this one as to buy. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look at, because I don't have any like cleaning stickers or buy stickers, I'm gonna look at some of my samplers to see. Yeah, I have a grocery bag and one of my samplers for to buy. And then I have my Sweet Kawaii design sampler, and I'm going to use the washing machine to clean. I had another one on another sampler, but it was really big, so I didn't want to use that. And then I'm going to use my CricketPaperCo scales for Monday, and I think I'm going to use I'll use the green one. I'll put that up. I'll put it up at the top of the box. So I'll have that to track my weight. And I think I don't need anything else from this pile. But I'm going to take my going to take my hump day sticker and I'm going to use this blue one and put it above Wednesday. And then I'm going to take my laundry sticker, and both of these are from Sweet Avas paper. I'm going to take this blue one and put it right there. And then I'm going to take my macaroons. I think I'm going to do the orange and green. And put them over Saturday and Sunday. That is that. And then I'm going to do my Celebrate the Day March Itty Bitty stickers. And the first is National Peanut Butter Day. So where do I want to put this one? I don't want to put it down the bottom. I can't really put it there. I think I'll put it right here in the full box. And then the third is National Anthem Day. And this one I can put down here, and I'll just put it above the meal icon. And then the fourth is Walk to Work Day. And again, I'll put it over the TV sticker. And then the sixth is Dentist Day. And again, putting it over the meal sticker. So that is that. And then I may or may not be having a package coming in this week, but I don't want to put anything down just yet. And then I'm going to which half box do I want? I think I'm going to take this blue one because it's not heavy patterned. I'm going to put it right under the odds and ends. And I'm going to use the orange camera right there. And these are from KG Planner, but she has recently changed her name to Planner Penny. And that will be the mark to film the next plan with me. And then what do I want to do next? I think I'm going to do my hydrate icons next, and I'm going to use these from Sweet Avas paper. And I think, like what I did with the headers, I'm going to do the orange on, and I'm going to put them down at the bottom. Going to do it on Monday, Thursday, and Sunday. And then I'm going to do two of the blues on Tuesday and Friday, and then two of the greens on Wednesday and Saturday. on my hydrate labels. And then I'm going to put this half box, I'm going to put it on Wednesday. And then I am going to take let me grab them real quick. I have these appointment half boxes from the Paperly Bowtique, but I'm not going to use them as appointment half boxes. I'll just use them as regular half boxes. And I'm going to take, and these are in the March colors, I'm going to take this dark green and I'm going to put it under the orange. Let's see if I can fix this heading. There we go. And then I'm going to take this, the next one, and put it on Saturday. Have that done, and then I'm going to take these pencil hexagon and I'm going to use, I'll use this this orange color and put it down right here, and then I'll use I don't know if I want to use green. I'll use the darker of the green, although it kind of looks like a greenish blue. I'll put that over there. So that, I think, is everything that I want to put down. Although I do have my, what color do I want to use? I do have my Gigabyte stickers, and these are just customized Erin Condren stickers, and these are to let us know when we give our dog her big treat. Think of where I want to put it. No, that won't work because we give it to her on Tuesdays. I'm just gonna have to put it down here, and it's gonna, actually no, I'm not gonna put it down there. I actually think I'm gonna put it up here just because I don't think it will stick on the washi down at the bottom, and I don't want to cover up any more of this box, and I obviously can't fit it in right there. So I think I think that's the last. That's a little crooked. I think this is the last of what I need to do. So I hope you enjoyed watching my plan with me. And let me fix this one. This one's being a little booger. There we go. So I think this is everything, and I would fill in the space down here if I had another full box, but I don't. But I'm not gonna worry about that. I might fill in something as the week goes on. But I might not. I might just leave it how it is. But I really liked how the spread turned out. And if you liked it, hit the like button. And if you want to subscribe. And I will talk to y'all next week. Bye.